ॐ जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः. Now this has been jotted out what will be the entire program, the sannyasa ceremony schedule, time to time from the beginning what all happens is given, and anybody finds any mistakes, just go through and mark it. We'll finally, before we take out, or at least in the future where it is stored, we'll have the correct version. So, Aikantyam Brahmacharyancha we have already studied. The applications has to be given to me. I have to offer it to the in the shrine to Thakur for making you people enter into the sannyasa order, Ramakrishna order of sannyasa. So, on Mundana day, morning, Mundana will be over first. Mundana will be over in the morning itself. Then we will be entering into the prayer hall and offering. You will simply bow down and go. If you see the 5 candidates are there, sannyas ceremony has been fixed on Holy Mother's birthday, 5th January. Entire program is below. Visit to local temples, 1st January, in the evening, 5 o'clock. 2nd January, Mundana, head shaving. Nirjala, fasting till Mundana is over. Puja should be over in the shrine, preferably by 9 a.m. At 6:15, at main shrine, seeking divine grace and permission, bow down. Individually you can go here. There is no need of collectively, because one after the other he is going to shave. Before you go for shaving, you have to bow down, because we are going to go at 9:15. Officially we will be visiting Thakur. So you individually go, bow down to, you can put on the Ganges also, and enter the shrine, bow down to Thakur, take the permission, and then go to the river. He might come, usually he comes by 6:15. The moment we finish there and come down, he will be there. So have bath at least a few of you can have bath earlier, and then be ready for him. Then after one by one he will finish off. And shaving you yourself do. Do and go, so that you can have river bath and come for the program. After the river bath, you can have your tiffin, or after the program. If time is not there, after the program. So in the 6:15, 6:30, Swarnaganga Bank head shaving barber will begin, and for honor for him. What is it called in Kannada? Huh? Gaurava alla. Huh? Sanmana. One word is there. Huh? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವಧನ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಭಾವನೆ ಸಂಭಾವನಾ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಬಾರ್ಬರ್ ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕನಿಗೆ ಸಂಭಾವನೆ. River bath. Then after the shave you will have river bath. The gift of honor will be, I will be giving on all behalf of you all. From the ashrama side it will be given. So usually we give 500 rupees per head, but now many heads are there. So the Narsimhankar will look after. Hmm. So whatever he gives me with fruits and all that, we will give him. Then you will have river bath, then tea and snacks you can have, then going to main temple. 9:15, Garbha Mandir, you will enter the Garbha Mandir. They will keep the, first day alone we will offer the Arghya. They will prepare Arghya and keep for all and our Swamis also. 10 Arghyas we may need. And we will offer, individually individually you have to go down to relics, Thakur, Mother Swamiji, separately you have to make pranam. No collective pranam. And then, yeah? So, you people don't do it individually, collectively. All works connected with sannyasa, whatever you do, making this one, tent and all that, collectively do. Each one share the work. Don't this one. One will go and bring some bilvas, another will prepare the arghya and keep. So, don't put the weight on the pujari who is going to do the puja. You people have to manage your own things. Then we will enter Garbha Mandira and offer the this one, arghyas, and seeking the permission, anugnya prarthana, to permit me to take sannyasa, and also for enlightenment, seeking refuge and shelter in Thakur, offering the arghyas. After this, come to the prayer hall. We'll offer and come and sit in the prayer hall. Shanti Patha means that 9:15, two places, how can be at the same time? Don't ask. It is continuation of the same. After finishing that, you come and sit here. Then we will have Shanti Patha, Devi Sukta, Abha Sampadiya, He Prabhu Anandadata, Prabhu Charanon mein, Sannyasi Gita, Vishwa Shanti Mantra. All these, whoever knows these songs can sing, otherwise, here, the minstrels, celestial minstrels will sing, will listen. Ramakrishna Darbar ki jai. So, and another thing is, if you, any song, usually anybody or any organized singing is going on, don't try to join your voice unless you know absolutely perfectly. It will spoil the... we don't know, we have practiced in some way, it is standardized singing we don't be doing. So that particular karavso, morning that chanting I do, last one, each will be singing in his own way. Namaste Sate. A few times, how fine reserved karus are there. And the Swarasthanas we don't meet. Here, Tanityada also, we don't meet the... I have to shout at my top to reach the Swarasthanas. They compress and sing. Because voice doesn't go to the sthana. So there should not be compromise. So when the solo is going on, solo, one person singing, don't join the voice. When group, organized group, means trained group is singing, then don't join your voice always. And some people have got the habit of putting tal. They will be, for trital, japtal they will be putting. Somewhere they will be doing something. The singers will immediately close their eyes and start singing elsewhere. They will sit in front of the, when we call for these special singers, they will be putting it in the front of some other thala. So, after the prayer, sannyasa candidates should meet all inmates individually. Some one person will have prasad. They will give the prasad to all on that day, Mundana day. Thakur's prasad will be, any one of you can give, and all individual, all inmates you have to go, meet, bow down, pray, take their blessings. Each other also. Amidst yourself. They are also inmates, other. Don't become outmate. Individual. If they are not there, Guru Pranama, first Guru Pranama, and then Yati Pranama, all those sannyasis who are there. He is not there, I will not do the future, don't say. If somebody is not there, afterwards you go and those inmates who are not present at that time, you should meet at any other time and offer your salutations to all the inmates without fail. Because afterwards they will start bowing down to you, you will not be bowing down to them. This is the last occasion where, these are all last time. What is it called? The Last Supper. Like that. And this one, Homa also. Last Vedika Karma. Shika goes off, Yagnapavita goes off. You have no right to do the this one. Karmas. Vedika karmas. Without Yagnapavita you cannot do. That's why the labor class, the Shudras, are prohibited from doing Vedic karmas. Like sannyasis, they cannot do. Because they don't have Yajnapavita. Realization of God is common to all, but because of the lower understanding, that they cannot raise to the understanding of the concepts, higher concepts, which intellectually evolved people can understand. Now, these four varnas, Shudra, Brahmana, Kshatriya and Vaishya, will remain at all times. Wherever there is an organization, wherever there is a coming together, living together, then these four forces will be always there. These four sections. In our body, there is a defense system. Kshatriya is there. Brain is there, which is controlling the whole thing. The Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, taking the food inside, circulating and then supplying labor work. Shudra, the oxygen and all, it is taken from place to place. Waste materials are brought and thrown. Inside going, outside coming, everything is going on. It is four. A bank or an institution is there. There is the managers and governing staff is there, directors. Then watch and ward is there. With guns, they will be standing, watch and ward. And then giving and taking will be going on. And labor work will be there. These four will be always there. Take government, a body or anything, these four will always remain in different form. Now in those days, Brahmanas used not to sit with the Shudras and eat. Now directors will not sit with the servants and eat. Same thing is continuing in different way. And with Corona, everyone has become untouchable. And Brahmin is supposed to take classes for the Shudras every day, because the realization, path of realization is common, Mukti is common to all. They will go through another path through the Puranas. There are Pauranikas. Now also Puranics are there in Karkala. dash dash Puranic, dash dash Puranic. They will, in evenings, they will, the responsibility of a Brahmin is to take care of all the section of the society. Each has to go in his own path to realization. So he cannot adopt the dhyana, japa, tyaga and all. He is at the physical level. So Puranas are taught to them, Bhakti Marga is taught to them. So this Vyavastha, because they are not entitled for Vedas, why everybody is entitled? Why not? Medical application you try. Can everybody go for medical? They don't allow. I too want to become a doctor. He said, you are not eligible. Why? You don't have brain, they will say. You have another thing, you become a sannyasi. When you don't have brain, you become a sannyasi. Why do you want to become a doctor? So, each one has, the purpose is you have to serve the society in some way. And highest importance is given in the society for labor class. If labor is not there, already we are facing the problem. All want to become manager. How many managers we can have in the... So that is the problem. In Chennai, one person came now, wanted to join. He was asking, what works you people do? That Swamiji is manager, and this brahmachari is looking after this prayer, all this, that, and all they explained. Then he said, I can take up the managership. I was working as manager. Yes. To manager himself, he said. Like that. Anyway, the thing is, each goal is same, paths are different. Eligibility, according to eligibility, they will be given this one. Why sannyasa is not there? Because a person is not employed, he cannot resign. I cannot have VRS now from the bank because I am not an employee at all. You cannot claim VRS. You cannot resign from bank because you are not appointed. So he is vidhina. Sannyasa means what is that? Text. Vedansara. Vidhina parityaga. According to Vidhi, the Vedic karmas are given up. Sannyasa. This is the last rite we are going to do. According to the scriptural injunctions, we are going to give up the Vedic, this one. He cannot give up. Women also are not supposed to, they are not appointed, they are not supposed to do the Vedic karma at all. They are just mama, they have to sit and mama. As whoever does, their father or husband or son or anybody, they have to sit by the side, that's all. All the income will go there, expenditure will go here. Non-written one. So they have this one system. That is the significance, okay? Then, Guru Pranama, Yati Pranama and all this, you will meet everyone. 12:30, because this is a part of the acceptance of sannyasa. I must become humble, a servant of this ashrama. It is very difficult to go and borrow.
Sannyasi, why should after sannyasa, he should not go down to anybody if there are any rules like that?
Social custom. He can bow down, but he is permitted to bow down too, because he is supposed to be in the Atman awareness. If he sees Atman anywhere, anyway, he can bow down. Till that state comes to him, he will avoid all things and then bow down to his physical mother only. Physical mother, as long as she is alive, he is permitted to bow down. No, no. Father, they need not, but if he does, there is no harm. But mother, our seniors used to tell, at least you, as long as mother is alive, you go once in a year, bow down to her, take her blessings and come. Because the same mother you are going to see in the world, in every woman. And in Divine Mother also you are going to call as mother only. That is the biggest protection you have, to be with mother for some time in the life, as long as she is alive. This one is, means in our tradition, Thakur kept mother with him, bow down. Every day after sannyasa also used to go and bow down to come. And most of the saints, you will see that they have kept mother with them. Then noon food prasada, 12:30. Light food. Japa, dhyana, one thing is you have to remember is he is considered as a giver of knowledge. Guru sthana, they keep a sannyasi always in the Guru sthana in the society. So when Guru sthana is given, the shishyas, all the world is considered as shishyas. And then traditionally, when the sannyasa, after giving sannyasa, before the namakarana, one small abhisheka is there with shanka. They would in the other mutts. When they, that is namakarana abhisheka. Yogapata. Yogapata, before they give, they will do and he'll be worshipped. Guru worships the disciple with actual puja. And then all senior yatis will bow down and offer Pushpanjali at the feet of the new sannyasin. That is one occasion where he is considered as the Brahman, representing Brahman. Namostvanantaya sahasramurte sahasrapadakshi shirorubahave. That is uttered and Abhisheka is done. It is not there in our tradition. So all yatis will come and bow down. Traditionally where the sannyasa is given. That is one, afterwards Shishya is Shishya, Guru is Guru, till he realizes again. Now, because he has taken sannyasa, given up, he to raise his awareness also, the Guru does the worship. Actually, as God, he will be worshipped. In Jains and all, he will be taken on elephants, this, that, Ratha. And
Before that they pull the ear.
he thought here. Here. Then makes him sit. Buddhism also. In Buddha's given so many things. And then in Buddhism, they are taking in this one, streets and all, with all glory. Then everything will be taken away. Enter the jail. Afternoon, noon food, afternoon, japa, dhyana, studies and all that you will do. Daytime sleeping is prohibited. Brahmachari sadhako va divana swapeta. 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. Meditation in temple. Don't tell Swamiji and the direct disciples used to sleep in the daytime because they used to keep awake during the night. Swamiji has told afternoon 1 hour you have to sleep. Holy Mother has told you can eat as much as you want. Thakur has told whoever comes to me is final. Why should we worry? Then 3:30 for the meditation temple as usual, bhiksha from ashrama, snacks and tea. Then 5 o'clock the Vaidics will come and do the Tilanjali, this Tarpana for the forefathers. Because next day we are going to do the Ashtashraddha. Before Ashtashraddha, Tilanjali is given and the previous, that is eve of the previous day, evening. To the, there are 4 types of Shraddha done. After passing away, annually they do and all. These are Shraddhas, various Shraddhas, names are there. This is called Nandi Shraddha. Nandi Shraddha is done on auspicious occasions to take the blessings. The Shraddha is, here the Shraddha doesn't mean that you are going to feed the mains and things. You are going to please them. Before marriage, before Upanayana, the Nandi Shraddhas are done. Keeping Nandi they say. Nandi Shraddha. To all the... Now we are going to do the Ashtashraddha. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara and all we will do. That is not the post-mortem Shraddha. It is out of Shraddha. Shraddhaya yat kritam tat Shraddhamiti. This is called Nandi Shraddha. Sringeri Mutt have published the Shraddha procedure. In that all the varieties of Shraddha, how to do, where to do, when to do, all are given. In that Nandi Shraddha is what is done now. What is done before marriage, auspicious occasions. ಮಂಗಲ ಕಾರ್ಯದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಶ್ರಾದ್ದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಂದಿ ಶ್ರಾದ್ದ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Meditation interval, snacks, 5 o'clock he will come. 6 p.m. Guru's words, question and answers. And 7, any doubts this that you can clear during those days. 7:15 Sandhya Arati, 8:30 night meals Bhiksha. Somebody will, devotees or somebody will give Bhiksha. Bracket I put light food. Huh? Oh. Yes, ashrama food. So you have light. That after sannyasa you can have heavy. Yes. After the Sankalpa, everything is Bhiksha. Ashtashraddha rituals. Third. Second is over, no? Uh, 11:15 to 12:15. Midnight dhuni. So you people sit together and do some bhajans, reading prayer. 1 hour will go away in no time. Afternoon you should not sleep. Night you should be awake. We usually, for Shivratri and all, we do the Jagrana in the daytime and Upasa at night time. No meditations. Because they're sitting in front of fire.
1 hour go in seconds.
No, fire is there. In front, fire is there. Anybody falls inside the fire. One brahmachari, while taking sannyasa, night, he wanted to, whole night he wanted to, next day is sannyasa, he wanted to sit and do japa as much as possible. So, morning lot of duties will be there, preparing danda, this, that, so many work will be there. Bilupatra is to be plucked and arranged. So all that they were doing. Afternoon no rest. Dvivana Sobheta. Night he has gone to, he took rest. 3 o'clock, 3:30 we have to join. After bath from the Ganga, we must be there in the prayer hall at 3:30 in the morning. He has gone. Then he got up at 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock we join the all are not supposed to go out of the place where we are given. It is a library, above library, one big hall is there. We cannot go out. But I used to come out of the door and sleep in the front of door. Anybody opens the door, I am there to step on me. Because all used to snore. Ghorr, ghorr, from all direction. I was not getting sleep. So I used to come out and sleep. That Brahmachari has gone to the Holy Mother Rock at 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock he has to be there in Ganga. And he was doing japa and has stepped off. Morning we got up, the time came, counting one person is missing. Then they searched here, there, and he must have run away or something happened. Then it was, sannyasa ceremony was over. When they went for the Danda Visarjana, they saw him sleeping by the side of Holy Mother temple. That year he could not get. So such things should not happen. Be extremely careful that accidents, falls, this, that. Nothing should, Vigna should not come in this one. Another brahmachari, Shraddha day. Shraddha will be over by the evening. Upasa, Nirjala Upasa. He was feeling hungry, he was not able to bear. His Atma Shraddha, his one pinda will be there. He has to live in the river. He was sent to live in the river. He said, I am very hungry, I am going to eat my own pinda, no. Atma pinda. He ate it and drank the Ganga water and came. So, it will be kept with the Vishnu. After he dies, he will be given to him. He said, I am going to realize God, Atma Shraddha. Why took you to Vishnu? So, such things happen, really happen. Unique. You will see, if you go to a training center, 80 brahmacharis will be there. It will be just like zoo. Each one is a independent figure. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೇನು ಆದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಕೆರೆದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂಚೂರು ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಸಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಶೇವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ put on a bilwa leaf or something, sprinkle ghee and snacks, bhiksha. Midnight. So midnight, don't go somewhere and start meditating that you are missing next day. After sannyasa. Oh.
That is Shiva places where you stay there.
Oh, Shraddha was over. He cannot enter anybody's house. He cannot do puja. He is preta. Come next year for sannyasa. Wonderful. 3rd January, Ashtashraddha rituals. Nirjala Upasa till the Shraddha is over. If you want to take anything, take before sunrise. Usually in Belumat what they do is, they will keep uh, uh, sugar candy juice and bilwa juice will be kept always. Anybody want to take before sunrise, they can take. And sweets will be there. Sandesh, rasgulla and all that will be kept. Before sunrise, it's offered to Thakur. Everything is offered to Thakur. Prasad will be there. One table will be there. On that it will be kept. Anybody wants to take, a few will take. They can put one sweet in the mouth and take juice and come. So, tea, coffee and all, anything you want to take during the fasting. This fasting is till afternoon, once the Shraddha is over. But the next 4th is whole day fasting is there. So early morning, if you take next early morning only, you will get after the sannyasa. Otherwise, it will be 36 hours. Huh?
Nirjala fasting till sannyasa is over, it is to be written. It is written as Shraddha is over.
Oh. 3rd is till Shraddha is over. Temple puja, cut and paste. Temple puja should be over, preferably by 9 o'clock. 5th, 5 o'clock Mangalarti in the temple, 5:47 Vedic chanting, 9:15 after bath, sanctum sanctorium, that is Garbha Mandira. Anugnya Prarthana, seeking refuge. This is Shraddha day. Because Shraddha day you have to be ready before their group comes. They will come and then arrange till that time is there. If you are continuing also, no problem. But don't get up in the middle. We will finish and they will be preparing outside in the lobby. They will prepare the Ganesha, this, that, and Varuna and all. There will be Abhisheka for this one, the people who are going to take sannyasa. Swasti Vachana. They will do all that. It may take about half an hour. Ganesha and Varuna puja will be there. After that Varuna Devatas, this one will be sprinkled on you, invoking all the good and great things in you. Then you will go for Shraddha. In prayer hall, शांति पाठ नारायण सूक्त वंदना के अर्पित रहे जब नाम जल में सन्यासी गीत सर्वे भवन्तु. After everything is over, the Guru Pranama and Yati Pranama. Shraddha, you need not do again for the inmates. The first day, you have to do. Shraddha procedure begins at prayer hall, offering after this one, we enter either before also. Yes. As soon as this one is over, lobby they will arrange and first come to the prayer hall. Prayer hall, we all will go. I will be there. Any monks are there, they can come. Otherwise, usually nobody will come. Obligatory is the disciple and guru. Both will be. They will do the prayer to the Holy Trio for sannyasa. And they will keep the coconut and all that in front of the Thakur on the platform and offer prayer. You will also be given one or two coconuts, I don't remember. One you will keep for Thakur, one you will give me and bow down. After that, from there, we go to the lobby. In lobby, there will be Swasti Vachana, Ganesha and the Varuna Devata Puja. At the river bank, Shraddha Kriya or Shraddha Karya, Kriya is better, I think, officiated by Vedics, same. Probably ends by 12:15. 12:30 is food time. And because more people are there, It may end at 1 o'clock also. By the time we will be finishing our food. 12:30 noon prasad. No rice products on that day. You will not eat rice, all other things you will eat. Finish sambar.
Ragi.
After japa, afternoon japa, dhyana, studies, no sleeping during daytime. 3:30 to 4:30 meditation in temple. 4:30 snacks tea bhiksha at ashrama. 5:15 visit to Holy Mother's Rock, Ganesh Guha, VTM, Dakshineshwar, etc. Previous day 5 o'clock you will have the Tilanjali. This next day we will be having. We will visit first we will visit local temples. Here internal Antaryatra we will do on the Shraddha day. Because Thakur, Mother Swamiji, Thakur and all, they used to like the pretas. So, the moment they see, but this pretahood is divya pretahood. Not the moment the frightening pretas, no. They are godly pretas. Guru's words, question and answer 6:30. Evening class there in the public. Sandhya Arti, night meals bhiksha, light food. No rice, night also. Shraddha day, no rice. 11:15 to 12:15 dhuni again. 4th, upasa, fasting day. All routine as usual. Nirjala fasting till Shraddha is over, is given. It must be
Sannyasa is
sannyasi. If needed, you may partake liquid food, tea before sunrise. Before sunrise, you can keep Cadbury's, this, that, whatever is there, you finish in the morning. Before sunrise. If cloud is there, don't say sun has not risen and eat.
they sit inside.
4 a.m. Joy. Fifth important is next after the fourth. Fifth is the important day, sannyasa day. The main sannyasa procedure.
No, I don't know. But night, full night with the
No, no. It is not permitted. Upasa day, you may or may not do the dhuni. Because morning you have to be there. It's better. Before food, just go to the Swamiji's VTM, sit there for a few minutes and go to your room. Not room, that. So, sannyasa day we all will join at 4 o'clock. Okay? Nirjala sannyasa is over. Shraddha, by mistake it is. Uh, 4 o'clock, join temple prayer hall. Morning 4 o'clock. You must finish your bath and everything. The cloth that you are going to wear during the sannyasa virja homa, you will not use it again. Other cloths which are there with you, you can color and reuse. But this cloth which you are wearing during the virja homa will be usually given to the barber, but the barber may not take it. You give to Narsimakal. He will dispose. We'll join at 4 o'clock and there will be few bhajans, only 4 bhajans. 4 bhajans means it may take 20 minutes. Immediately after that we will begin the homa. Before that, we will sit in the asana, homa asana itself and begin the Shanti Pata. That is there, what I have given you in the hand today, this one. All this will be chanted. Shanti Pata, Meda Sukta, Panchavaktra, Trisuparna, Prarthana Mantra, that is Asatoma Asatgamaya, Virja Homa, then Virja Homa begins. Yajna Sutra and Shika offering is there in that. Sannyasa, that Kasha, after the Homa Karya is over, I will give the clothes. And Danda, etc. Sapi will be there extra. Sapi means Bhiksha is called Sapi. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಝೋಲ ಜೋಲಿ Mahavakya. Then after wearing the clothes, you will come back. It is to be properly written. It is in the original, this one, Nagno Bhutva Gurum Pranamet. It is there. Those are all omitted in these books.
7 and 8, everybody has to go out. No?
Once Virja, 6 itself, 6 they won't be there. Virja Homa, they won't be there.
6, 7, 8. No, home up to certain extent they will be there. No?
Yes.
Prarthana mantra
Prarthana mantra, Thakur Homa, till Thakur Homa is over, it is, there will be, last offerings will be Virja Homa. During Virja Homa, we ask them to go. Huh?
That next time just split it into 2 songs. It is keep sharing. It can be split into 2 like
In between Mangala
Sri Ramakrishna
Mangalarati also.
then Virajavama Sankalpa, that it can be just
Shrine
split.
opening.
Where it comes, we have to see.
Not that Maharaj, I'm telling even ಒಂದು split ಮಾಡಿದೆ correct ಇರ್ತದೆ only for
Then Virja Homa, Yagni Sutra Shikha, Sannyasa Vastra, while giving the Vastra,
ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ವಿರಜ ಹೋಮದ ಆಹುತಿ ಕೊಡು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವರು
ಹೌದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಫರಿಂಗ್
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು
ವಿರಜ ಆಹುತಿ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಅವರು
ಅದರದ್ದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇದಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ ವಿರಜ ಆಹುತಿ ಆಗುವಾಗ
ಹೌದು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಮ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೋಮ ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತ ಹೋಮದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗ್ನೇಯ ಸ್ವಾಹ ಆನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿರ್ಜಾ ಹೋಮ. ದಿಸ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಈಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಅವೇ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೋಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ ಹೋಮ ಆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. When the sannyas sankalpa begins, they won't be there. In this Yajna Sutra, Shika comes here, in this. All that is. Then after the wearing, I will be giving clothes. You will not be wearing clothes. Either I can give in the shrine itself. There itself we can offer and wear and again sit there itself. In prayer hall, I am giving only for women. This one is given in the prayer shrine itself. Women, because I cannot give, they cannot come in the Nagnavastha. Again, they will give to Mataji, Savita Mataji. From the Savita Mataji, they will take again in the Nagnavastha. And they will keep at the Holy Mother's feet and again take it and wear and come. So then only, for women only, I give in the prayer hall.
For us also it was in prayer.
Is it? Oh, then we can keep them.
we can go inside shrine from there. You have to offer to Thakur and then take it.
But Yes. We have to remove that chain and thread.
We have gone outside only.
Nobody will be there actually. There will be two, three. This one will be guarding. That,
Procedure wise, what is correct?
We went this way and entered and did that.
then we'll give you as usual in the prayer hall. Then after wearing, you'll go and keep the clothes, you will go in the Nagnavastha itself and take the clothes as it is and go and keep in the front of Thakur, bow down to Thakur Mother Swamiji separately, relics also, and then wear and come and I'll be sitting there in the, I can sit in the prayer hall also, but that is better. Shrine is better. Mama and all telling. Then Savitri Praveshna. After the clothes and all wearing,
After going to here, Danda Visarjana until after some.
this is after this. Only Purnavati is pending now. You will go.
After Prasha Mantra, during Purnavati, everybody will come, Swamiji.
No. Before that, once the. When you are going for Danda Visarjana, before that they will all come. Yes, that's what. Before that,
After Prasha Mantra,
Somebody will maintain the fire.
fire.
and bell will be this, no, it is finished.
By the time you come back, they will be doing bhajans and all. When the signal is given, or they can simply sit also. Watch. And when you are coming, they will chant that Dhara Vidya part. First, Yo Devanam. Now what we chant by raising the pitch each time. ಧೈರ್ಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವ ಚಾಂಟಿಂಗು ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳೋದು ಅದು ನ ಕರ್ಮಣ ನ ಪ್ರಜೆಯ ಧನೇನ ತ್ಯಾಗೇನೆ ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಚಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ that when you are coming from here, from the old shrine, as soon as they see you, they will start chanting. Then you Savitri Praveshna. You'll go there, there everything, you'll remove the clothes, keep it at the feet of mother, then go to the river, do the Savitri Praveshna and Danda Visarjana both.
Before night they have to keep towel under there only.
While coming for this they can keep. Or while going they hear it somewhere they can keep it. On dining table or here there. They can take and go. The Savitri Praveshna at river, Danda at river, back to prayer hall after the worship of Holy Mother on the river bank. You will do just Dhupa Deepa and Arati and come. Offering will be there. Some sweets, no, nothing. Vibhuti will be. Bhiksha? Yes. Vishwashanti mantra. Purnahuti, Vishwashanti mantra, Tumi Brahma Ramakrishna. The Homa will be over, totally over. Then it will be Tumi Brahma Ramakrishna because we are getting up and coming. Then Yoga Patta, Namakarana. Oh, Yoga Patta. Hmm. Yoga Patta. I did not read. I rearranged the things. First Bhiksha by Guru. They will prepare everything and then Sudama's food. Everything they will keep ready in plate. They will bring and give in my hand. I will give to you. And we all go partaking at Buddha statue. Buddha statue. Hari Om Tatsat Sri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. This is the whole of
8:30కి ಅವ್ರು ಭಿಕ್ಷಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ
next day. Yeah.
the same day they have to go for the ಭಿಕ್ಷಾ.
Yes.
Mother's relics they have to take out. So they can when to
No, it will be there after the Thakur's puja and all the puja is over. Finally, while keeping back, we'll take it out.
means 10:30 or 11:30 they will come back.
Offering.
They will come back.
Taking out only the puja relics. The showing to all people will be after. Only puja relics alone will be taken out.
All the receipt will be after this.
So when we open that can be blessed and open.
Yes, that can.
All can before going taking time.
ದಿವಸ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಬೇಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ದಿವಸ ಹುಡುಕಿ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ
5 ಜನ ಪಂಚನ್ ಬೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು 5 ಜನ 5 ಬೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ 5 ಜನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಗೋ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಗೋ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ.
ಒಬ್ಬ ನದಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು
ನದಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So for today we'll have this much. Tomorrow one more class will be there. Anything?
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮಂತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ
Anything is pending, sir?
No, only mantras we may have to discuss.
ಹಂಸಗಾಯತ್ರಿ
That will be separate or common?
Common.
Let's talk it.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.